my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hi guys, happy Friday. Isn't it great that it's Friday? How was your week? Did you guys have a good week? Okay, let me address something before we get into the video because I know you came to see me decorate today and I'm really excited to show you all the new things I have done. And I know some of you are noticing the table behind me. Don't look yet, we'll get to that in a minute. I changed a little bit, a tiny bit. Okay. We're gonna work on my front hallway, and there's a few areas in this front hallway that I decorate, and I do them seasonally. So this is why I wanted to share this with you to give you some ideas and some motivation to go out this weekend and get stuff done. Okay, so I want to thank all my new subscribers. But before I thank all my new subscribers, I really want to thank my oldies and goodies. You guys are the best. Okay, my subscribers to me, if you're new here, mean the world to me. They are truly like my girlfriends because this channel is very casual. I'm a very casual kind of person. I love to laugh at myself and make fun of myself, and I love to laugh and just have a good time. And I feel that when I make videos, I'm just talking to my girlfriends anyways. So that's how I consider my subscribers just my true girlfriends. But my oldies and goodies, and the ones that are so loyal to me and show me all the love and support, the ones that comment on every one of my videos, the ones that give it a big thumbs up all the time, the ones that send me beautiful messages, you guys are the reason why this little channel is growing. Yeah. We're almost at 9,000. Come on, girls, we gotta do it. We can do it. We gotta get to 10. I wanna get to 10. I wanna get to 10 so badly. I don't know why, I just really wanna get to 10. Okay, enough of me rambling. Let's get to decorating. First things first, we're gonna start right here. I have something really cute planned. It's not very intricate, and then I'm gonna bring you, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do by the front door, but let me show you what I am putting on my front door. Now, I don't know how the lighting is gonna work, so I'm gonna take it off the door and show you what I put on. Let me show you what I bought. It's a little like twiggy looking wreath. It's supposed to be a wreath, but it's in the shape of a basket. If you're interested in these, I found them at Burlington, and they were so inexpensive. They were only $9.99. Now, I love the lavender, and you're gonna see me do lavender in this hallway entrance because this was my jumping off point. I really wanted to use these, and I love ivy. If you know me, you'd know that. But I don't like this bow. You see this little bow? It's like a really cheapy bow. I am gonna change the bow come closer to Easter because I have not found ribbon that I want yet. And in my brain, I have an idea for my Easter decor, which I'm gonna use these also in my Easter decor, but I'm gonna move them and you'll see that. But for right now, because I don't want the neighbors to laugh at me, you know, this is Canada and it's covered in snow, and here I am gonna put these outside. I flipped them and put them on the inside of the door. So I just flipped my wreath hangers and I put them on the inside of the door. So, you know, it all ties in together. But when I take you off the tripod, hopefully the lighting will show these good. But they're on the backs of the front doors. Okay, so let's get to decorating this now. Okay, my friends. I was gonna leave the video the way it was, but then I realized I better do a voiceover and speed up the clips because this video would have been excessively long. And who's got time for all that? Anyways, I'm just showing you what I'm doing here or what I had in here originally. I am gonna take some of these out, you'll see right now, but I am gonna leave the tall curly Q ones in. So I took these ones out. If you're interested, all these florals and the vase is from Hobby Lobby. And don't worry, I'm going to use this branch again in the other arrangement by the front door. Okay, let's get started. I just fan them out as I'm showing you here. And this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use 2 bushels of this pink and 2 bushels of this purple florals that I found at Michael's. They have like a paper feel to them, guys. I'm sure you've seen them there. Look how nice that is. Just 2 and you get a huge impact. But I love purple, so I'm going to add the purple. And here's the best part of working with these kind of faux florals that are wired. You can twist them and bend them any which way you want. And then I'm going to add 4 of these. They have like a little bud on them and a little purple pit berry. So I just wanted to add them for texture. And I'm adding 4 of them. And like I said, this didn't cost much at all. What a great way to add something to your house. Okay, we're almost done, and then we can get on to styling the little table because this is so cute. Yeah, it looks great, right, guys? Okay, here's the styling part. I added a little tea towel, tea napkin. You use whatever you have. And here come the bunnies. That's a little moss bunny. I probably got it at TJ Maxx, and I'm using this little tiny bird's nest, which I can't remember where I got it from. Anyways, easy peasy. Okay, let's move on. If you've been with me for a while, you know that this welcome sign is to the left of my front doors. And I have these 2 galvanized buckets. I'm just adding the long cascading greenery. I've added 2 of them, a green one and a white one. And you saw me add the hydrangea and some of this Dollar Tree ferns. And then I'm going to use the lavender. 2 dark lavenders and 1 light one. And the dark ones, I just put them on either side. You can see here. And the light one in the middle. But it needs more. It definitely needs more. So I'm adding the heather. Yes, I love it. I love the mix of all the purples. It looks so great together, guys. And I'm just going to place the heather right in the back and bring the light lilac to the front. Okay, there you go. The best part of this, guys, is you can sit back and look at your arrangements and see. And for me, I just wanted to add a little bit of touch of this white just to give it some interest and some contrast. And I think it turned out really good like that. There you go. Guys, you see what I'm saying? Just a few little touches make such a big difference in your decor. And you don't have to spend a lot of money. You really don't have to spend a lot of money to make an impact and make your decor look absolutely beautiful for your homes. Now, I haven't done a lot. I just added a little bit of lavender, a little bit of purple, some pink, a little bunny. And I'm going to take you off the tripod because we did not decorate together the top landing of my staircase, which you can see when you come in from the front door. And I'm also going to show you the very tiny touches that I added to the front hallway table. And that's it, really. That's all I've done. And I think it turned out really cute. And I'm going to go overboard for Easter. Who are we kidding? Who are we kidding? I mean, there's going to be bunnies everywhere. I love bunnies. I love bunnies. I think they're so cute. And I love Easter. I truly love Easter. I love the meaning behind Easter. Anyways, we'll get to that in another video. Okay, let me take you off the tripod and show you the hallway. And then come back to the end. And I'll say my goodbyes. Okay, guys, let's take a tour. So I couldn't show you both doors because the lighting was really glaring, but you get the idea. There's 2 doors, so 2 of these. Look at this. How cute did this turn out? Guys, I really love this. When you walk into the house now, everything just ties in together and it just looks so pretty. I love these buckets. I'm telling you, I've used them season after season since we've been in this home. And I really love switching them up for the seasons. So I highly recommend these. And they're from Hobby Lobby. Okay, you ready? Look up. Isn't this the cutest? Wait till you see this. Okay, I brought in my outdoor bunny planter and I put a giant garden ball on him. And then I used the two vases that I had there. I just made some cute little arrangements with stuff that I had in my basement. And I've had all this greenery and florals and all this stuff. I had all this in my basement, guys. So I really didn't buy anything new, but it is so cute. And I think all the colors really tie in together. I just want to give you another view. Hold on, I'm going to back up so you can see it a little bit better. It's so cute. Isn't that adorable? This is what I'm greeted with every morning when I wake up now and I go downstairs. I think it's just adorable. Okay, let's go back downstairs and I'll show you what else I did. I love the table. I love how cohesive it looks. It fits in perfectly now. Okay, here's the small touches I did change on my new front hallway table because I love it. I just added this tiny little pot and I switched out the florals, and that is it. Okay, my sweet, sweet friends, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration to add some color and some life to your entranceways and add a little bit of bunnies because they are the cutest ever. I think this weekend I'm gonna open all my Easter stuff and figure out what I'm gonna do for Easter coming forward. Monday's video might be a really exciting video if I can get it done by Monday, but you'll have to come back and see what I'm talking about. What is Bella up to? You never know. Anyways, thank you for all your love, your kindness, your support. To my loyal subscribers, you guys know what you mean to me. You mean the absolute world to me. And to all my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you. Thank you for joining me on my YouTube adventures. And I will see you guys on Monday. Okay, guys. Bye, everybody. See you Monday. Mwah.